clear statement of class. The stunning entry foyer sets the standard of this home, and it could help meet all your aspirations. The townhouse has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and it has lock-up garaging for 2 cars. The kitchen is neat and functional with lots of cupboards. This home has high ceilings and large rooms, and is everything you dreamed of. It has direct access to the balcony from main suite, as well as large spaces for family living. Add to that a private courtyard for personal use. Looking for a place to call home? Wonderful opportunity to have the lifestyle you want. Don't let this opportunity pass. Call today.